So Nissan Murano, this is how you connect your phone to Bluetooth. Just press this button here. So then on your screen, it's touch screen, just top button on the right. Scroll down to Bluetooth. Hit this button here. So you need to select this option here, just under Bluetooth. And then scroll down to this option as well, so which is just under 3G. So hit that, then you need to hit this button here and type in your phone number. And you press, I believe it's this, no. So you press this button here, and you go back and press this little button here. Now you can connect your phone to it. So on your phone in Bluetooth settings, this will come up, my car, and that's your password to get your phone connected. This is it.